ata
truth,
nagplano?
That is, we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan, ha?
What was, and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the President, it was you and the President.
Yes.
So, ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyong was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira. I stand by that, ma'am. Last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chidoro was working out of his office.
Napakaliwanag po ng sinabi ninyo. Wala namang mapakiyaw-kiyaw doon sa sinabi.
Yes, ma'am.
Patayin na muna natin. Napakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa, kahit ako ang kasama ng Presidente nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the President's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang grupo.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi
I said, hindi ako nagplano.
May isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor lang yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
there was no planning,
group effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong in-effort ng group kapag hindi plano?
I think that we're intruding into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please respect our...
I'm just asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But it's already a very thin dividing line between what transpires in a room between cabinet members and a media statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
Understood, and the Secretary Chidoro is fully aware. Every time there's a need to recess to executive session, I'm happy to do so, and I will do so when necessary. Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig sabihin. Kasi ang sinabi, hindi ako mag-isa na nagplano, may grupo kami.
They asked me if I had planned it. Sabi ko, I did not. I did not plan it. I said we were there. And not to skirt, ma'am, executive privilege, it was mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that, I think you have a clip, he said that, ang reading ko ay may ICC warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my recollection, ma'am.
So anong pinag-group effortan? Anong
discuss the rumor, ma'am?
Grupo na pinangalanan nyo?
As far as I will invoke in executive privilege, there was no, you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nagtataka ako, bakit group effort? Chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis nga.
Ayun nga, kung chismis, bakit mag-group effort pa? Tapos pinangalanan mo pa lahat na nagpag-group effort?
Maraming marites sa mundo to, ma'am.
Dabis naman yung marites, dami-daming marites sa amin.
It was a discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the President in Hong Kong.
Nakakatuwa lang dahil chismis lang pala eh. Bakit sesentensyahan yung tao sa base ng chismis?
It was a discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the President in Hong Kong.
So you deny that you're part and parcel of the planning and that the other persons you named, hindi rin sila kasali dun sa pagpaplano?
Again, ma'am, we were discussing the statement of the former President while he was in Hong Kong that he said that he said, in his words, ang reading ko ay may warrant of arrest na ako. So that was the only basis of the conversation, ma'am.